आप लोग, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Coding by Fun and चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So in this question we have to find the value of nPr as you know the permutation. So let's see the example first. If I give you a question like find the value of 3p6. So this is nPr, right? So the formula for calculating nPr is n factorial upon n minus r factorial, right? So for this we have to find the 3 factorial, right? 3 factorial upon n minus r. So this is not possible because n minus r will not be negative, right? So n, that is this one, should always be greater than r. That is n will always be greater than r. So let's see the other example. This is possible, that is 6p3. This is possible, but 3p6 is not possible because there is a condition for nPr for finding the permutation that n will always be greater than or equals to r, right? So to find 6p3, what we will do 6 factorial upon n minus r, that is 6 minus 3 factorial. So as we can calculate the 6 factorial and 3 factorial, and we can divide it, right? So whatever will be the result will be the answer. Or there is a short trick to solve it, like 6 factorial. What we can write the 6 factorial as? 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So just cancel it, and 5 4s are 20 and 6 into 20, that is 120 is the answer. So let's see the code part now. So let's remove it first and see the code part. So what we will do, we will take the input as t. We already took the t as an input for the number of test cases. Now we are running that t number of times this while loop, and also we have to take n and r as an input. So int n comma r. Let's take it from the user, right? Now let's make a function for finding the factorial. So I am making a function. Let's see out, and it will return something like in a new variable, right? So let's make a new variable k, and we will return the factorial of n, right? And similarly I am making a variable v where I will return the factorial of n minus r, right? Now, and at the end what we will do, we will just see out k divide v. K, we will divide k with v, and we will just print it at end of the line, right? That's what we have to do. Let's see the example here also. So let's see the example here, and 2 and 1 is the input. This is n, this is r, and similarly 10 and 4 is the input, and similarly this is the output for those inputs. So let's make a factorial function here, and I am making it long int fact, and taking, let's say n, right? Now what we will do, if n is less than equals to 1, we will simply return 1. This is the recursive function we are making for the finding the factorial, right? And otherwise we will return n cross fact of n minus 1. So let's compile it now. Our code is completed. So we are checking for the inputs that we have given in this question, and yes, our code is giving the right answer as mentioned here, 215040, right? So let's submit it to check our code is passing all the possibilities, or you can say all the test cases or not. So yes, our test case is failed. So congratulations, हमें कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. So let's see where our code is failing, right? Let's see in the code where we did some mistakes. So we have made a long int fact function, and we are returning where, yes. So here is the mistake. So we are returning the value of this factorial in a variable k, and it is of type int. So we have to increase the range of this. That is, you can make double long or single long is okay, and same for this, because the factorial of the something variable, whatever the n value you will give from here, may cross the range of int data type. So int data type range maximum is 2 to the power 16. So we may cross the range, so that's why we are making it long, and let's submit it now. So I think that's where we are making mistake. Yes, our code is accepted. So that's how you have to solve the nPr problem, how to find the nPr. So guys, you can subscribe my channel and just share it. See you in next video. Bye.